Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. I know everybody likes dosa, particularly Rava Dosa. Most of the South Indians, when they go to hotel, they prefer Rava Dosa only. So many of us wanted to prepare like restaurant style Rava Dosa at home. If you are really wanted to prepare super restaurant style Rava Dosa, follow these simple steps. Surely you will get appreciation from your family members and friends. So many of my friends are fans of Rava Dosa prepared by me. They all requested me to upload the recipe of Rava Dosa in YouTube. Even in the description box, I have given the links of my other recipes too. All of you, please try that healthy recipes also. Before watching the preparation of Rava Dosa video, all of you please subscribe and press the bell button for the notifications. My heartful thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you. Now, let us see the preparation of Rava Dosa. These all are required ingredients. Mix 1 cup of rice flour, 2 spoons of maida, and half cup of suji rava together. Add water and soak it in a vessel for 10 to 12 hours. For morning breakfast, previous day night if you soak it, it will be well and good. For seasoning, we need mustard, urud dal, jeera, chilli flakes, curry leaves and ginger. In the morning, before preparing dosa, we have to do seasoning. These are the things one by one we have to do seasoning. Then at last we have to add with the batter. With the batter, we add turmeric powder and coriander leaves also. So many Karnataka hotels, they add turmeric for Rava. When dosa pan is ready, start preparing dosa. One important thing you have to remember, you should pour the batter from outer ring to inside. 1 to 2 spoons of oil is required for Rava Dosa. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can flip the dosa. Now, crispy, yummy Rava Dosa is ready. All of you please try it at home and please mention in the comment box about your preparation and feedback.